How to fix Marvel Rivals error 220. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Marvel Rivals error 220. So let's get started. In order to fix that issue, first you need to go to your search bar and type for view network connections, and here it is the view network connection of the control panel. So just click on it and select the device or the Wi-Fi or Ethernet you're using currently for network, and right click on that and click on properties. So once you click on properties, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to select the internet protocol version, that is 4 TCP, and here you need to type down 888, that is 4 times 8, in the preferred DNS server. And then there's also another alternate DNS server, so type down 8844 and then click on OK, and then OK, and the changes would be applied, and check if the issue is resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can go back to your search bar and search for firewall and network protection. This is basically a system built-in application or setting. So here you need to allow the app through firewall. So click on allow an app through firewall and search for your Marvel's rival over here, and once you find that, check if the private and public checkboxes are checked in front of it. So often if these boxes are not checked, the issue might come. So make sure that both of these boxes are checked, and once done you can just click on this change settings at the top of the box, and once you click on change settings, the changes would be applied. So just click on OK and check if the error is resolved. And if not, if the issue is still there, what you can do is go again to the search bar and search for CMD. This is the command prompt, so just right click on it and click run as administrator. And now here you need to write down two commands. The first one is ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. And after that, the second command is netnet sh space winsock space reset and press enter. And after that, you need to restart your computer in order to complete the reset. And once you restart your computer, you can just try logging into Marvel's Rivals, and that issue needs to be resolved. However, if it is still there due to some reason, you can go to the search bar and search for network reset. So just type down network reset in your search bar, and here is network reset, which is also a system setting. And here you need to select reset now, and your PC will be restarted after the reset process is done. And after these couple of options, your Marvel's Rivals error code should be resolved. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.